Welcome back to Dummy Tech Talks. We've got another unboxing for you guys today. I'm gonna let you unbox this one. This is supposed to be like a portable little air conditioner. It's I think also known as a swamp cooler because it uses water to cool the air and it's supposed to cool you off. You can put ice cubes and stuff in it. So we'll see how that works. So,
sorry, I'm getting ahead of myself.
Do it, man. Do it.
See what happens when he lets me unbox things?
Go for it. This one was on sale for $29 and some change on Amazon. We will put a link in the description for this.
There's a box inside of foam.
What is it? Oh, it's probably like the charge cable and stuff.
It's heavy. There's the cord and power. Call them power cords.
Whoa. It's packaged very well.
It is. It is. It looks crazy.
There's very little, if any, damage to the actual box it came in.
It definitely looks like a tiny
air conditioner.
Look at that. Oh, cool. And
this is the first time we've ever seen this. We've obviously never done this. That's the water catch. I remember seeing it. And then back here, I only saw this on the pictures. So there's this little lock button thing here. Locked, unlocked. You pull this out and pour the water in. You supposedly put ice cubes and things in there, which is what I'm going to try it with. The red power light. Cord reach.
Alright. Whoa.
It's making some noise.
Oh, it's blowing air.
Oh, wow, that's actually more than I was expecting. A little noisy, but it's not too bad.
That's pretty cold.
It's got 3 functions. Oh, that's to turn the actual AC part on.
Yeah, look at that. No water.
It says it has no water. That's cool. That's medium. Yeah, that's medium. High.
Hey!
It really is blowing.
Wow, that thing's kicking. Look at that.
Cool.
Hey!
Oh, yeah, here, do it sideways.
Oh, yeah.
So, so that's high. And it seems to be blowing pretty good. Again, I'll be trying this tonight, and then we'll finish the video up some other time, like tomorrow or this weekend. I'll let you know if it actually works. So, a couple days ago, we got this little miniature air conditioner for $30 off Amazon. Link will be in the description. I'm pleasantly surprised with it. While it doesn't actually air condition anything, it's more of just a cool mister. My dog's chasing squirrels. It keeps you cool. It keeps whatever it's blowing on cool. It won't cool down a room or anything like that. If you put ice in it, it might help a little bit for the whole room. If you're trying to sleep with it, once you go to sleep, at least for me, I slept through the night just fine. Woke up, it didn't have any more water in it. Probably ran out after an hour or so. It only holds about 16 to 18 ounces anyway.
Well, show them
sure,
it working.
So right now there's no water in it. It's just a fan. I'll put it on high. A little loud, but
it does move air though.
Oh yeah,
moves air.
Moves air pretty well.
We're gonna put water in it and show you the cooling ability.
You'll start seeing the mist pretty quickly.
Hey.
Oh yeah, as soon as you hit the AC button, it sucks it in and starts misting. And that is what is actually pretty cool. Last night, I just put regular water in it and let it run, and again, had no problems at all. No ice.
I mean, if you've been to like Busch Gardens or something, and you know how they got these little, I don't know, garden hoses, misters, yeah. This is,
it's just a mini version, but yeah, I was happy with this. I would suggest it if you go tent camping and you have access to electricity because there is no battery. It'll help you get to sleep if you have any problems sleeping when it's hot. It'll do a good job.
You're in a cubicle, your own office, or you're in an office job or whatever.
You can't control the air conditioning.
This is a good thing if you like it cold.
And again, it doesn't make it humid or anything. It just kind of does it. It just cools you off. I think the farthest I was from it, I kept it on low most of the time because of the sound, the fan. I was about a meter away, so about 4 feet away from it, and it did fine, on low. I'm sure it would push it a lot farther if I turned it up. I just didn't want to deal with the noise. One thing, other than the noise, that I really didn't like was the lights. They're very bright. I had to cover them up, and then you can still see them on the inside. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe if you want to see more unboxings and other tech things. We do a lot of just random stuff now.
I kind of like this unboxing stuff. It's fun, man.
It is a lot of fun. We'll put a link for this in the description. And yeah, thanks for watching.
Hit that like button and subscribe if you ain't subscribed.
The tip of the tongue, the teeth, the lips.
The tip of the tongue, the teeth, the lips. The tip of the tongue, the teeth, the lips.